Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and I think it's just a little after 9. I had a good night's sleep, sort of. I never fully sleep really well, but I'm saying I went to bed at 11 and woke up at 9, so that was good. I wore my Finding Nemo shirt last night, or should I say Finding Dory, because it says just keep swimming. And yeah, so I'm about to go out and I guess we'll be having breakfast and get our day started. We're gonna go do some fun stuff today. So we have stopped in a Walmart because, well, first off, I gotta go to the bathroom. Second of all, I forgot to bring my thyroid medication as well as my Losec, which is my heartburn medication. So I have to get some Tums because my heartburn is kicking in. So I take Losec every morning because like the medications that I'm on can cause heartburn, and clearly they do. Hashtag lupus life. We made it to, what's it called? Scarborough Beach. Some people are jet skiing out that way. Yeah, we were not prepared for this. We didn't know that this is kind of like a spontaneous trip to the beach. And so we didn't have our bathing suits. So we can't go swimming, but I am just standing in the water. And it's like really nice warm water too.
Don't film me.
Yes, I will. It's not cold. It's refreshing. I feel cooler standing here than I do sitting back there. It's crazy. Like a water hoverboard. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we are going to get some pie that apparently is really good here. Apple pie and coconut butter tarts and cheese biscuits. We're also getting a jug of apple cider. So we are back at Alex's aunt's house. We had a really nice afternoon. I was struggling with the heartburn. Tums just doesn't cut it like prescription medication does, but I've just been taking them periodically, and then the heartburn will go away for a bit and then it'll come back. And the beach was really nice, but it was super hot out, and so I was having some trouble with that. But I didn't really say anything. We were there about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. Around like the 2-minute mark, I was telling Alex, like, this heat is like, I can't take it much longer. I was literally like drenched in sweat and having trouble breathing, and but like that's where I kind of wish like maybe we should have taken separate cars, because I kind of felt like I was ruining the fun, because I think like Alex's sister and her boyfriend would have liked to have stayed longer, but we took our car with everyone in it, so we kind of had to like ruin their fun. It was kind of crappy. So I think like this is a learning experience for me. Like Alex said not to worry, like they probably would understand, but I don't like to have my health problems ruin other people's fun. So I think the next time we'll either just do our own thing or we'll just like take separate cars. But anyways, we had hoped to also go into the village because there's this cool like coaster ride that comes down the mountain, but we didn't have enough time because the drive there was so long, and then we were there for 2.5 hours, and then we had to drive back, and we wanted to stop at this place I showed you guys, this like bakery. Well, it's like a bakery, but it also has like a lot of other homemade goodies in there. So anyways, I enjoyed putting my feet in the water at the beach. I enjoyed the country drive because I love just like seeing the countryside and seeing, like, I saw horses and cows and sheep like just grazing in the fields, and I loved seeing stuff like that, and seeing different beaches that we passed by and different rivers and different little towns with they all look so pretty with like old-fashioned buildings and like flowers, and it was just so pretty. And then there was this one section that we drove through that literally had a church on each corner of the intersection, and they were all like cobblestone old churches, which was really cool to see. And so we came back the same way, so I tried to remember where certain things were so I could try to catch them on film, but it was hard to remember, so I didn't catch everything, but I think I caught some sheep and cows for you guys. I hope it turned out. And then, like I said, we stopped in to get some baked goodies on the way back, and we came back here, and I took a shower. So my hair feels nice and clean now, and I got all that yucky sweat and sand off my body, so I felt so much better. And then we had a wonderful dinner. Alex's aunt did some grilled vegetables like zucchini, pepper. We had pork. We had these really good roasted potatoes. We had salad, and then there was like a little dessert that she had that was really good. So we've done all that, and I just finished drying my hair, And now we are all about to watch the final Tragically Hip concert. Tragically Hip is a big Canadian band. I'm personally, don't kill me, I'm not a fan. I don't know very much of their music, but it seems like it's a pretty historical thing happening right now in Canada because it's their final concert and they are so big and they're actually broadcasting it live on television for those who couldn't get tickets. So I think it just started, so I am going to head out to the living room and join everyone to watch it. We'll check in later.
Thank you very much, folks. We all appreciate it. We started here, as you know, and opened up to 13 people.
Jeez.
And our next show we had 28. And then the next Kingston show after that, we had 6. This is my favorite gag to do. On this trip, we played here 1,000 times, played all the rooms. Really glad about being here in Kingston. We could play the university, and we could play for the bikers. And our idea was just that everybody's invited, everybody's involved, and tried to write that way and tried to think that way. We went through a period there where we had to work very hard to get the girls to come, because the guys were just scrapping and being really weird. And somehow we got the girls to come back. And thank you, whoever did that, whoever was the cause of that one. On behalf of the boys and the men and women of our crew, thank you for a great tour and a great show. Really enjoyed the hell out of it. We're going to go into the back and we're going to act like we've left and we're going to cheer and we're going to come out and play.
The encore, I guess. The encore, I guess.
Do encores, we just play whatever we want to play. Instead of like the fake, we need you to cheer for us to come back out. They're like, oh, this guy died of lung cancer or something. But it's like they have like a really brutal name, like Anthrax or Megadeth.
You are ahead by a century. You are ahead by a century. You are ahead by a century.
Well, guys, the concert is done. It was, oh my gosh, it was like 2 hours and 45 minutes. But it was good. Like, even though I don't know a lot of the songs, like, the last song they did I knew really well, but it was still really interesting to see. And so now we're ready for bed because we want to get up early in the morning to go do the couple of things that we didn't get to do today before we head back home. And we don't want to get home too late because Riley's still by himself. So thanks so much for watching this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up button if you did. And we'll see you next time. Good night. Goodbye. Oh no. Oh, my baby, I love him. My little snuggle bum. Hey, baby. We'll see you on Sunday. Don't get into any mischief.